Hey, it's me, Christina. We're having our Nerf battle today. Henry is recording. I'm gonna win. I gotta get my gun. I don't even know how to shoot this one. These aren't mine. I'm gonna shoot this one first. It's Clemmy. Come to safety. Come to safety, bud. You're gonna get shot. Did you eat your whole sucker? The pharmacist gave him a sucker the other day. You go put that in the garbage? Alright, Henry's gonna start shooting, so we need to be careful. The attack cat has joined my team. Clement, get out of the way.
Uh-oh, there's a gun. There's a gun. Uh-oh. Oh, it missed me. It barely missed me. Oh, I got shot in the butt. Go. Oh, I'm under fire. Oh my gosh. Stop.
I got him in the face accidentally. Oh shoot. I'm out of bullets. I don't know how this gun works. Oh, I have to cock it.
I got it. So, I'm under fire right now. My mom's attacking me. I better attack.
I don't know how this even
Stay
fires.
I have you in a corner.
I'm in my base. How
Ah.
does this even... I don't think this is even firing.
Ah.
Ah! Oh, I'm going to steal your bullet.
You can't.
Well, I just did.
Well, it easily can shoot you.
Ow!
Get shot.
Ow!
Ha! Thank you. Thank you. I'm in your base. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Oh. Clement, get him!
I don't know. Ow, ow.
Oh, no.
Ow.
He's dead. Get him, Clement. Get him. Get him.
I'm reloading. Oh, ow.
Okay, don't hit him with the truck.
Oh, no.
Attack cat, where are you?
Too bad. Ha-ha.
I got him in the butt, guys.
Raw.
I don't even know how this gun shoots. I think this gun's broken. Does it have an on button? If anybody out there knows how this gun shoots, now would be the time. Alright, it's cocked.
Stop, man. There's a limit.
It what? Oh,
There's
it's...
a limit now for 10 seconds.
Oh no.
What happened to Henley?
Oh, it shot. That was my last bullet. Maybe that's why it wasn't shooting.
Okay.
Henry's phone is malfunctioning. It is old. Because my work won't pay to replace my work phone. They will only reimburse me if I get it myself, but then I have to pay them back if I leave in 2 years, which is stupid. Who can see 2 years into the future? One more bullet.
Roasted! I don't care if I'm shot.
Oh no, I'm out of bullets.
Ah. Oh no, where'd the bullet go?
Oh
What? She
shoot.
kicked me out.
Alright.
Kicked me out of camera. Dumb camera.
I got a bullet.
Hey guys, I have just broken in. She can't get me. Yeah.
This is your gun, don't break it.
Where's the bullet?
One bounced over here and I stole it. Was it this one?
No. That
What
I
color
didn't
was
use
it?
that. It was like blue.
Oh, we'll have to look for it later. After you surrender!
Too bad I'm not.
I'm gonna blow off your kneecap.
Okay. Do it.
No, because your brother's right behind you. I don't want him to get hurt.
Oh gosh.
Surrender now!
I'm not surrendering. Okay.
Surrender or die! Oh. I have to put it in the right spot. It just doesn't automatically know. Ooh, shoot.
Big bullet.
Oh no.
I have to go close for this.
No. Don't hurt me. Gosh. No, that's
Surrender
too
then.
close. Go farther away.
Surrender.
Go farther away.
I'll shoot it if you don't surrender.
No, shoot it. Just don't shoot it right up close.
Ha!
Attack Cat is on my side.
No.
Attack!
How too bad? It's old. School. Oh, school, guys. Don't worry.
I'm out of bullets, guys.
I have you.
Ooh,
What that
this
kid
won't
did.
fit in my gun.
That's the dumbest decision you've ever made in your life. Surrender now, or I'll shoot you.
All right, I'll surrender. I said I surrendered. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Say bye.
You surrendered.
Say bye.
Bye.